Russia's ongoing military operations in Ukraine have reached a critical juncture. President Vladimir Putin's recent comments, though fragmented, suggest a steadfast stance on the conflict. He asserts that Russian forces are reclaiming territories, not capturing them, indicating a broader claim over Ukrainian regions beyond Donbass. This narrative aligns with Russia's historical claims and strategic objectives in Ukraine. The situation in Chasiv Yar exemplifies the complexities of the conflict. Putin claims the town is under Russian control, supported by video evidence. Ukrainian denials highlight the ongoing information war. The battle for Chasiv Yar, a strategically significant location in Donetsk Oblast, underscores the intense military engagements in the region. The town's capture could facilitate further Russian advances toward Konstantinovsky. The conflict's dynamics are further complicated by the situation in Pakrovsk. Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky denies Russian control, yet evidence suggests otherwise. Ukrainian drone footage reveals ongoing battles, indicating a more precarious situation than officially acknowledged. The strategic importance of Pakrovsk, coupled with its proximity to other contested areas, makes it a focal point in the broader conflict. The war's impact extends beyond immediate military engagements. The humanitarian crisis is profound, with millions displaced and significant economic costs. The conflict has also become a testing ground for modern warfare technologies, particularly drones. These unmanned systems have revolutionized battlefield tactics, playing a crucial role in surveillance and combat operations. Internationally, the conflict has strained relations between Russia and the West. Sanctions and diplomatic efforts have yet to yield a resolution. The United Nations and other international bodies have condemned Russia's actions, demanding a withdrawal. However, geopolitical complexities and historical grievances continue to impede diplomatic progress. The Baltic region is another area of concern. NATO's increased presence and Russia's military drills highlight the strategic significance of this maritime gateway. The potential for escalation in the Baltic Sea adds another layer of complexity to the already tense situation. As the conflict persists, the possibility of a diplomatic resolution seems increasingly remote. Direct negotiations between the United States and Russia could offer a path forward, yet mutual distrust and conflicting interests pose significant challenges. The war's trajectory remains uncertain, with potential implications for regional and global stability. In summary, the war in Ukraine is a multifaceted conflict with deep historical roots and significant geopolitical implications. The ongoing military operations, humanitarian crisis, and international tensions underscore the urgent need for a comprehensive and sustainable resolution. However, achieving peace will require concerted efforts from all parties involved, as well as a willingness to address the underlying causes of the conflict.